Hi guys and assalamu alaikum, welcome to Mr and Mrs Khan's kitchen. So today we will be making the creamy cabbage side for chicken parmesan. So first what you're going to do is you're going to cut your cabbage into really thin slices, go as thin as you can go, but it doesn't need to be perfect. As you can see, I'm roughly chopping and then putting it in a pan. Once you have put your cabbage in a pan, you need to add boiling water to cover the cabbage, and you need to make sure you cover it so you can boil it. So I am using boiling water from the kettle just because it makes the process a lot quicker. As you can see, the cabbage is boiling up nicely, and once it is 90% cooked, you need to strain it. As you can see, that's how it should look. Right, so that is now done. What we will do is strain the cabbage and then move on to the next step. So now I've strained the cabbage, I'm going to slightly use a potato masher and mash it just so it's chunky but not in the strips. So you want it's textured basically. So I will show you how it should look. So give it a good mash. Right, so that is the consistency we are looking for. So that is how it should look. So little chunks in there. So once you have mashed that up, we're going to be adding some coarse black pepper and some salt in there. So just add this according to your taste. I've added about half a tablespoon of black pepper and around about half a teaspoon of salt. Give that a really good mix just so all the salt and pepper can mix in really well with the cabbage. As so. Right, once the cabbage is coated really well. Right, so once you have mixed in all your salt and pepper into your cabbage, you've just got to make sure it's distributed evenly throughout the cabbage. You're going to get some white sauce. If you would like to know how to make this white sauce, the recipe is in our Parmesan video. And if you would like us to make a separate video on how to make this white sauce, please let us know in the comments below, and we will make another video on how to make the white sauce, inshallah. So you add your cabbage into the white sauce and mix it in really well, and make sure that all of your cabbage is coated within the creamy white sauce. It will give it that really nice creamy texture, as you can see how I am doing it over here. Right, so mix it in really well, and it starts to look like mashed potato with like whole bits of potato. That is the texture and consistency that you are looking for. Right, so make sure you're folding in that cabbage with the creamy white sauce really well, just so it's combined really well together. What we're going to do now is plate up our creamy cabbage. Can you see how divine that plate looks with all that food on there? So we are going to be having this creamy cabbage side with chicken parmesan, some chips and some salad. If you would like to know how to make this delicious parmesan, there is a recipe on our YouTube channel, and you can go ahead and watch that, and it will have the recipe for the parmesan and the creamy cabbage and how to make the white sauce. So please go ahead and show that some love as well. And if you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we shall see you in the next video, inshallah. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.